Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit static vlogs on mobile by using CapCut. Here I've already opened CapCut. Now I'm going to just open my projects in here. So this is the videos that I want to edit. First you need to adjust the color, so go to adjust, then follow this adjustment. For the brightness, I'm going to increase it to 10, contrast -25, and the saturation 20, brilliance I'm going to increase it to 17, and the sharpness 20. Swipe until you find highlight. Now increase it to around 19, and the shadow 22. Click on the check icon. Now apply the adjustment for all the clips. Then you can now just go to audio, so tap on add audio and add the background music. You can go to sound. Here you can add your own music, or you can also use CapCut in CapCut library. So I'm going to just find aesthetic as the keyword. Now let's say I'm going to just use this one. Click on the music, tap on a plus button, and trim it based on your needs like this. And now you can add transition. So here I'm going to use effects and also transition feature for the transition in between the clips. First I'm going to go to effects and use the zoom lens of effects in here, this one. Click on adjust, and here I'm going to adjust the speed to 0 and leave the range as it is. Hit on a check icon and adjust the position of the transition. You can see black fade transition and adjust the durations to how you prefer. Click on a check icon. Next you can just add tags, so click on the tags and add the tags in here. I'm going to go with a day in my life, let's say. Here for the phone you can choose the one that you prefer. So for me, I'm going to use, let's try the Specta. Okay, I'm going to use this one, Resolute. You can adjust the size and also adjust the style like this. I think I'm going to use this one. Now go to animations, and in here I'm going to use the typewriter animation. This one. Now click on a check icon, and that's it. So this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.